Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quick question. How much are you paying every month just to edit or convert PDFs? Adobe Acrobat, maybe another subscription tool? Well, today I've got a much cheaper one-time alternative that gives you professional level PDF tools for life. It's called PDF Agile, and right now you can grab the lifetime deal on StackSocial. So what exactly is PDF Agile? Think of it as your all-in-one PDF solution, designed to save you time, money, and hassle when working with documents. Here's what it does, and the benefits you actually get. Edit like Word, fix typos, update images, and tweak layouts instantly without going back to the original file. Convert with accuracy. Move between PDF, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint without reformatting everything manually. Annotate and comment. Highlight, underline, and add notes to collaborate more effectively. Secure your files, lock PDFs with passwords, remove sensitive data, and sign documents electronically so you can share with confidence. Plus extras like merge, split, compress, OCR, compare docs, and reorder pages, all designed to make document handling faster and stress-free. Here's why I think PDF Agile stands out from the crowd. It's built for speed and simplicity. That means less waiting around for big files to load and more getting things done. It's affordable, pay once, no hidden renewals, no surprise fees. It's backed by pros. The team behind PDF Agile includes former Foxit developers, so you're getting enterprise-level experience in an easy-to-use package. And with the license working on 2 devices, you'll enjoy seamless productivity whether you're at your desk or on your laptop. This tool is perfect if you are a student who needs to annotate, highlight, and organize study materials without paying Adobe prices, a professional who deals with contracts and needs secure, editable PDFs that save time in your workflow, or a small business owner who wants to handle all PDF tasks, editing, signing, sharing, with one tool instead of juggling multiple apps. In short, PDF Agile simplifies your work, protects your files, and saves you money. Right now, the lifetime deal is just $39 on StackSocial. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest software deal reviews.